3, 2, 1.
A Lego set.
3, 2, 1.
A doll.
3, 2, 1.
A race car.
3, 2, 1.
A super bike.
3, 2, 1.
A lion.
3, 2, 1.
A bouncy ball.
3, 2, 1.
A T-Rex.
3, 2, 1.
A rabbit.
3, 2, 1.
A butterfly.
3, 2, 1.
A train.
3, 2, 1.
A blue whale.
3, 2, 1.
An excavator.
3, 2, 1.
An elephant.
3, 2, 1.
An eagle.
3, 2, 1.
A teddy bear.
3, 2, 1.
A dump truck.
3, 2, 1.
A fire truck.
3, 2, 1.
A tiger.
3, 2, 1.
Now you guess what's in it. Comment your answers below.
I hope you liked our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.